Using an American Express credit card is straightforward and offers various benefits. Here's how to make the most of it. Activate your card. Upon receiving your American Express credit card, activate it by following the instructions provided, typically online or by phone. Understand your benefits. Familiarize yourself with the benefits of your American Express credit card, such as rewards, travel perks, purchase protection, and access to exclusive events. Make purchases. Use your American Express credit card to make purchases at any merchant that accepts American Express cards. Simply swipe, insert, or tap your card at the point of sale terminal. Track spending. Keep track of your purchases by reviewing your monthly statements online or through the American Express mobile app. Monitor your spending to stay within your budget and detect any unauthorized transactions. Pay your balance. Pay your credit card bill on time and in full each month to avoid interest charges. You can do this online through the American Express website or mobile app, by setting up automatic payments, or by mailing a check. Redeem rewards. If your card earns rewards, redeem them for travel, merchandise, statement credits, or gift cards through the American Express Rewards portal. Utilize card benefits. Take advantage of additional card benefits such as concierge service, airport lounge access, and purchase protection when applicable.